Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. In this tutorial, you'll learn step by step how to create a realistic stone material inside Substance Designer. We'll start by building the overall shape and volume of the stones using different nodes to generate natural forms and surface cracks. Then we'll move on to the details, fractures, worn edges, and fine textures that bring the material to life. Next, we'll explore color and roughness adjustments to highlight the contrast between smoother surfaces and rough, weathered areas. You'll also see how to enhance depth and definition with height and normal maps, making the material look natural on any surface. This course is designed for artists who want to improve their skills in creating realistic materials. By the end, you'll have a fully usable, production-ready material that can be applied in game design, animation, or architectural projects. If you're looking to master realistic materials and learn professional techniques in Substance Designer, this tutorial is made for you.